Hello guys, this is Edgar Sotokuro. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. The time you're watching this video, actually, I'm going to help you when it comes to this grammar tense about which one or which ones. This is demonstrative pronouns. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to leave me some comments below. Si les gusta el video, chicos, no se olviden, nos pueden dejar un comentario abajo. Y bueno, ahora vamos a explicar algo muy breve, cómo podemos utilizar which one or which ones. Okay, so let's begin. You know guys, the first example, but first of all, we need to know something about it, that we can use it as a noun, adjective, or pronoun. Recuerden que podemos utilizar one como sustantivo, adjetivo, pronombre. For example, according to this picture, my baby is one, or my baby is beautiful. In this case, one is replacing what? An adjective, which is beautiful. En este caso, one puede trabajar como un adjetivo. Mi bebé es hermosa. My baby is beautiful. Next picture. In here you can see an expensive car, or we can use so many adjectives as possible. I have one car. Yo tengo un carro, pero en este caso, one va a reemplazar nuevamente un adjetivo. Okay? I have an expensive car. Yo tengo un carro muy caro. Okay? And about the third picture, I have one ring. Yo tengo un anillo, right? Ring. En Spanish, en español, esto significa un anillo. I have one ring. ¿Sí? Y nuevamente puede ser reemplazado por un adjetivo. Well, guys, and now let's go through this definition. That we can use the words one or ones to replace nouns in a sentence. A different example, in a short paragraph. I have two cars. The blue car is old and the black car is new. The blue car has 2 doors and the black car has 4 doors. Muy bien. Ahora, ustedes pueden observar que hay muchas repeticiones, right? So, the blue car, what else? The black car, the blue car, the black car. Es muy repetitivo. Es por ello que en el texto siguiente podemos ver una breve diferencia. I have 2 cars. The blue one is old and the black one is new. The blue one has 2 doors and the black one has 4 doors. En este caso, chicos, one está reemplazando al sustantivo, which is car. En este caso, sustantivo es el carro. Well, and then let me give you extra examples. Which book do you like? So you are in the library, and then you're looking for something to read. Which book do you like? ¿Qué libro te gusta? Or we can ask, which one do you like? En este caso, ambos o los personajes, de acuerdo a la foto, entienden de qué se está hablando. Es por ello que podemos reemplazar book, que es el libro, por este demostrativo, pronombre demostrativo. One. Which one do you like? I like this one. Me gusta este libro. It could be, I don't know. There are so many genres when it comes to books. So it could be a drama book. It could be a historical book. It could be a, let's say, fiction book or different ones. Ok, muy bien chicos, espero que les haya gustado esta breve explicación. Ahora vamos a hacer algo más interactivo en una clase en vivo con algunos estudiantes. Espero que les guste. Now, and we use them to replace nouns or to avoid, I'm going to put here on the screen, to avoid repetition. Okay, and to sound more natural. So that is the purpose. Now, guys, let's keep practicing. Look at this. Which picture do you prefer? So you need to decide on which one or what is better for you. The left or the right one? Now let's see Nicole Pillman. What's your choice, Nicole? The red apple or the green apple?
The red apple.
So what is the answer?
With,
You could say, I prefer, let me help you.
The one, the left one.
Excellent, teacher. I prefer the left
The
one.
left one.
Excellent, thank you. Next guy, how about Darwin Tejada? Which picture do you prefer? The left one or the right one?
I prefer the
The left, la izquierda.
the left one.
The right, la derecha. Okay, I mean, you're sitting in front of your laptop, PC, or cell phone, so it depends. And you would say, teacher, I prefer the left one. So you are choosing why? The apple, right? And if you say the right one, it could be bananas, right? Thank you. Next, but wait, give me a second.
Teacher.
Why? You need to explain why do you prefer that thing. Okay, Valeria Ramos.
Yo tenía una pregunta. En
Yeah,
la primera, en la de las manzanas, podría ser left one como red one, ¿cierto? Right
Red one
green
or the apple one, yes. Because we both understand what we're talking about. Because you are looking at the picture. Thank you, Valerie. Good question. Well, and obviously with you, Valerie, help me now. Which picture do you prefer? The left or the right?
The right one.
Why? I'm adding this double-edged question. Why?
Okay. Because looks, wait, that's really difficult to do.
Okay, because that is really difficult, yes, to do. We're talking about gymnastic athletes. Thank you, Valerie. Next one. And then we have Daniela Quispe. Good morning, Daniela.
Good
As you see, I think two sports. Which picture do you prefer? Or which sport do you prefer? Volleyball or soccer?
I prefer the left one.
Why? Because
I like volleyball.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Well, teacher, I like volleyball, or I like it. Excellent. Thank you, Daniela. So next one. Which picture or which artist or famous singer do you prefer? Let me try with Almendra Altuna. Come on, Almendra. I just forgot her name. This is Miley
Cyrus.
Miley Cyrus, and this boy is Shawn Mendes. So, which one do you prefer?
I prefer the left one.
Why?
Because she's my favorite childhood star.
Excellent. Childhood star, superstar. Yeah, perfect. All right, students. Well, I'm so happy because we get to the end of this video. You concluded this session successfully. This is the part that I like the most because we're here to keep learning. Okay, every single day has a new challenge. So that's why we are here. Recuerden, chicos, que estamos para aprender. Muchas gracias por estar ahí y espero que tengas más sugerencias, algún comentario, no te olvides en la casilla para poder subir más contenido. Ok, bye bye, see you there.